Please come here. Terrorists have been killing non-Muslims just recently in India. Please come here and help us understand how using the Quran you will give wonderful moral advice. Just about a week ago, there was a terrorist attack. Scores of non-Muslims were killed in Kashmir, in India. Please tell me one advice you would use from the Quran, but properly understood in context. One advice you would use to speak to the terrorists and say, look, you guys have been terrible Muslims, you're not even Muslims. This is not how Muslims behave. Muslims behave in a marvelous way. Please, which advice would you use from the Quran? My dear friends, what is the problem that Islam has? Almost everything about Islam is terrible. For example, number one, this book demeans, disrespects, demoralizes, removes identities of women across the world. So 50% of our population are gone already. Gone. The only thing that Muslim women can be happy about is that they are better than Jews and Christians. Because according to this book, Jews and Christians are worse, are the worst of creatures, are like swine, like ass, like essentially one of the most basic animals you can think of. Jews and Christians are like that. And therefore, the only reason Islamic women can be happy, despite the fact that they receive a terrible treatment at the hands of the Muslim men, is the fact that Muslim women are at least called human beings, whereas Jews and Christians are considered to be genocidal targets, Nazi and fascist targets. So Islam is terrible in multiple different ways. Women gone. Christians, anyone who claims to be a Christian, about 2 billion other people on the face of the earth, gone. Jews, just a few million, yet according to the Quran, gone. Genocidal intent towards the Jews. That's what this book propagates, my dear friends. No wonder it leaves people with so much brain damage. Because can you imagine having to walk around on the face of the earth when you have been asked to wipe out Jews and Christians, yet the Jews and Christians are more successful than most of you today. Most Muslims derive many benefits, including that gentleman over there. With his earphones, the headphones,
most of them on the door.
headphones not from the Islamic Ummah. His North Face,
Who? This one?
this gentleman there,
He the one standing with
the gentleman
with
here,
the
smiling, Allah, smiling at
this
us.
on the door as well.
Yeah, all the headphones, all the,
Infidel technology.
all in kuffar technology. Can you imagine? The book says kuffars are worst of creatures, but schizophrenically, you have to buy all your fancy stuff from your kuffars. You have to leave all your Islamic heartland because there are so many problems there and show up in kuffar land. In Afghanistan, many people are suffering. Many are suffering and fleeing. When the Taliban was going to take control, just in the recent past, Afghanis, poor Afghanis, were trying to hold on to American planes to try and see if they could escape. This is what is happening with Islam, my dear friends. Please come forward, my dear friend. Tamim.
I don't want to be asked any dumb questions.
Okay, yeah. How do you treat women? Listen to him carefully.
Reject this time.
Tamim from Afghanistan, who failed to answer or who actually disagreed with his Quran multiple times, Listen to what he says. He says he does not want to be asked any dumb question. So asking if women get the same value as men is a dumb question to an Islamic gentleman. To an extent, he marches away. Hello, sir. You, sir. Please come here. Please come here and help us understand how, according to this book, there was a recent terror attack. My dear friend, my dear Muslim friends, please come forward. Just a week ago, there was a terror attack in Kashmir, in India. Non-Muslims were killed just for the sake that they were non-Muslims. Killed. Christians go through this in Nigeria, in various other nations across the world. We have been going through this for a long time. But just a recent example from a non-Christian example, Hindus were killed, non-Muslims killed in Kashmir. In that context, my dear friend, please come forward and use any verse in the Quran you would like to use, any verse, and try and speak to the terrorist Muslims and tell them, you guys have been terrible according to the Quran. Please come forward. Give us, please come forward and give us an answer. My dear Muslim friend, please, are you Muslim, sir? You're not, good, lovely. You're doing well already. How about you, sir? Please come here. All hand to Allah, please come. Please come here and tell us, terrorists have been killing.
Defend your cult.
Please come here. Terrorists have been killing non-Muslims just recently in India. Please come here and help us understand how, using the Quran, you will give wonderful moral advice. Please come. Anyone? Any Muslim who wants to come forward. Are you a Muslim friend? Please come.
A woman has to come.
Okay. So just recently. That's fine. Please come here. Now, just recently, just about a week ago, there was a terrorist attack. Scores of non-Muslims were killed in Kashmir, in India. Please tell me one advice you would use from the Quran, but properly understood in context. One advice you would use to speak to the terrorists and say, look, you guys have been terrible Muslims. You're not even Muslims. This is not how Muslims behave. Muslims behave in a marvelous way. Please, which advice would you use from the Quran?
What did they attack them?
Essentially-
without being harmed first?
Okay, please listen to me.
Yeah.
Muslims across the world have been killing non-Muslims just for the reason that they are non-Muslims. This has been happening over and over again. This has been happening even in our nation, in the UK. They have been doing this. So, and the recent case is in Kashmir. About 20 odd non-Muslims were killed, singled out for being non-Muslims, and they were killed. 28 to 29, for the simple reason they are non-Muslims. So that's all.
Yeah,
So please give me some advice from the Quran.
I will. And guess who else they do that to?
No, please stay focused.
They do that
I
to
need the advice, please.
Quran-only Muslims
Please.
as well.
No. Please stay focused on the Quran.
They do that to us too. So I'm going to answer you because they're also against us.
I know Muslims have been killing each other. I completely
They're
understand.
not Muslims. They're Sunnis.
Are you listening to me carefully?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you something, please.
I will.
Sunnis have been killing Shias.
Yeah.
Shias have been killing Sunnis.
Sunnis kill
Please
everyone.
listen. Please listen.
No, and Quran only.
Please listen.
They kill Quran only. You know
Please
that?
listen to me.
Yeah.
Please.
I'm
Now,
with you on.
okay.
Yeah.
You believe in the Quran only,
Yeah.
not
No,
Google also.
The Bible is my hadith.
Sure.
And
You
it's in the Quran. I'll show you.
you believe in the Quran only, not
with,
Google,
With hadith.
with the hadiths.
With Bible. Bible is hadith.
So please,
Yeah.
please tell me from the Quran. I want from the Quran.
Yeah.
From the Quran, solid advice, understood well in its context in the Quran.
Right. Well, this is
Why?
what we need
What
to do.
advice?
Right.
No,
This
but
is what they need
I
to
need
do.
the advice, please.
All right. I see refuge in God from Satan. 42:40. Yeah. And
Sorry,
those,
what are you reading?
42:39. And those who defend themselves when tyranny strikes them, and the retribution for an evil act is an evil one like it. But whoever pardons and makes reconciliation his reward is due from God. So you have authority to go and attack back.
Are you listening to me
or
carefully?
You
Are you-
believe it.
are you listening to me
and
carefully?
whoever defends himself after having been wronged, they have no way against them.
Please
any
listen to
blame.
me carefully.
Yes.
Please. Now, you need to look at me, not that.
That's
I am
right.
here.
Yeah.
Please. You need to. Now, this is serious stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
We're,
240. Yeah.
we're talking about serious stuff.
Yes.
The serious stuff is people are losing precious lives.
Yes.
Just doing some random search and reading some random stuff isn't going to help. We need
You asked me to
solid.
do that.
I know. I need you to give a solid advice for those Muslims who are killing non-Muslims just for the sake they are non-Muslims. You look at all the details. Please help us understand how, based on the verses that you have read, that you're going to tell them, look, you guys have been terrible. I know the Quran better, and you should not have done what you have done. Please.
Right. So they attacked them for being.
For being non-Muslims.
Yeah. So there's no compulsion in religion.
Where is no compulsion?
Right. That's not the Quran though. You're blaming them. It's nothing to do with the Quran.
Nothing to do with the Quran?
No.
Can I, if I show you all the verses in the Quran, what would you do?
You can show me.
Yeah, Surah
Talking
2.
about the Arabs.
So, talking about what?
The Arabs.
Let me show you, please. Yeah. Surah 2. Maybe I'll go to Surah 9. Surah 9, Ayah 5.
Yeah, but Surah 9 is the end. It's the end of the Quran. It's not. It's chronological order.
Yeah,
You know
it's in the
that?
Quran?
They muddled it all up.
No, wait a second.
Yeah.
Is this in the Quran?
No, but you can see that it's not. That it's in the wrong order.
Excuse me, my dear friend. Do you believe in the Quran or not?
Yes.
Is Surah 9 in the Quran or not?
Surah 9's in the Quran. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm reading to you
Yeah, so
what you
start-
believe in. Do you believe in all, everything that is in the
So
Quran?
start from chapter 8, 54. They're fighting people with the customs of Pharaoh, who were killing people for their belief. They were killing people for not being a Christian, killing people for not being a Jew. They used to do that back in the day if you read the Bible. That's what they were doing.
Excuse me, my dear friend.
Yeah.
No one in the
Yes.
Bible. Please listen.
8:58,
Listen, please.
8:54.
Please listen.
Not the Christians, not the Jews.
Please
the
listen.
ones with the customs of Pharaoh.
Please
Using
listen.
Apostasy law, blasphemy law.
Please
That's
listen.
Not a law that Jesus used.
Please listen.
That's the law that they were fighting because they were.
Please
attacking
listen.
first. No.
Please
No.
listen.
Because the Sunnis are not the Muslims. They're
Are you
not the
hearing?
Muslims. They're
Please
the customs
listen.
of Pharaoh.
Can I speak
So
now?
you know. It's not.
I know the
Quran's
Quran.
fault. No,
I
you
know the
don't.
Quran.
No, you don't. You think you do.
Can I speak?
You know it like a Sunni.
Can I speak?
It's only you and the Sunnis that follow the Quran like that.
Can I speak?
Yeah.
Can I speak?
Of course.
Yeah. Surah 9 is in the Quran.
Yeah.
What I can show you from the Quran, which is something you believe in,
No,
or
the war was with the customs of Pharaoh. Chapter 8.
do you believe in all of the Quran or not?
No, yeah, go to chapter 8:54.
Yeah. Do you believe?
That's
Please
what
listen to me.
it is.
Please listen to me
Jews
carefully.
and Christians.
Please listen to me carefully.
Yeah.
Please listen.
You've got to come unstuck from
Excuse
that.
me, please
It's
listen
like
to me
Dawah
carefully.
Script. You're doing Dawah script.
You're doing the script right now.
No, you're
I am
doing
speaking.
Dawah script. Go to 8:54, the verse before, the chapter before. That's who they're fighting. The people attacked them first. They were fighting. They had the customs of Pharaoh. They were cutting off people's hands. Yeah.
Can I
That's
speak?
Who they fought.
Can I speak?
Yes.
Can I speak?
Yes.
When I speak, will you listen?
Yeah, but you're just going to repeat.
No, no,
it
no,
Like
no.
Siraj.
When I speak, will you listen?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, I'm here. I'm here. So, in relation to the Quran, you are claiming you believe in all of the Quran, and all of the Quran includes Surah 8 and Surah 9. And I wanted to read from Surah 9, Ayah 5.
Yeah.
Surah 9.
So if we did
Can
that
I
in the
read?
Bible, can
Are
you
you doing a
not
script
start
right now?
from the-
Are you reading a script right now? Can I read right now? Can I read right now? Are you doing a script right now? Can I read right now? Can I read right now?
Yeah, stop.
Can I read right now?
Yeah, but
Can
you're
I
not
read right now?
there.
Can I read right now?
What's the point?
Are you doing a script right now?
He's reading from there, but he's not reading from
Can I
before.
can I read right now? Can I read right now? Could I read right now?
No, start from
So I
the
can't
chapter
read right now.
before.
If I can't read right now, please keep moving.
You're starting when the
Can I
war
read right
begins.
now?
You're not starting from
Excuse
when
me,
the
can
war
I
was
read right now?
initiated.
Can I read right now?
No, read from when the
Can
war
I
was
read right
initiated.
now? Can I read right now?
No, because you're going to be here for the rest of your life. You're going to be
That's fine.
buried.
You please keep
And
moving.
you're
That's
gonna
fine.
get
That's
anywhere.
fine. If
You're
you
going to be bearing false witness against Muhammad, yeah.
Yeah, please keep moving. If you don't listen, please keep moving. Thank you very much. Hello, my dear friend. Please come in. Would you like to please come in? My dear Palestinian, Egyptian Palestinian friend, please come in. Enough, enough. Your script didn't work. Your script didn't work. I wanted to read something which. Thank you. Lovely to see you. Thank you very much. Lovely to see you. If you now please keep me.
Chapter 8.
Thank you.
People who are cutting off people's hands.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you.
They did it.
Lovely, thank you. Lovely, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, 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 wow. Excuse me, my dear friend. Okay, please, if you don't know the Quran, please keep moving. Thank you very much. Surah 9. Are you a Muslim friend also? You don't want to be a Muslim? You don't want to be a Muslim? You don't what? You're listening right now. So, if you read the Quran, my dear friends, if you read the Quran, Surah 2, terrible. How to fight disbelievers. Surah 3, Surah Al-Imran, how you are a hypocrite if you don't fight disbelievers. Surah 4, how to engage in a hijrah. Surah 4. Surah An-Nisa. Surah 5. Are you listening? You're listening. Are you a Muslim friend? You are. Please come in. You're listening. Lovely. So, my very, very important point right now is Islam overall is terrorist in nature. It goes around killing non-Muslims just for the reason that they are non-Muslims. Islam makes people think, Muslims have been deluded into thinking for a very long time now that they have received, that they have received an edict from the Islamic Allah that they can go around and take over the lands of non-Muslims and kill them and subjugate them if they are not being killed. This is what Muslims have been thinking for centuries right now, which is what the definition of a terrorist is. Going around and terrorizing others for no reason whatsoever apart from the fact that they have a delusion in their minds. Now, in the Quran, do you find any material to contradict what I've said so far, sir? Nothing to contradict.
Sorry?
If you meet a terrorist today,
What you are telling me is absolutely, I don't agree with you.
you may not agree with me, but the Quran agrees with me. I'm reading from the Quran. So
Who is taking the lands?
Muslims.
Are taking the lands?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Mecca.
Thank you, sir.
Mecca. Who owned Mecca? My dear friend, please come here. Who owned Mecca before the Muslims took over Mecca? Or the lefty loonies are back. The Muslim defenders, clueless yet want to defend our back. So, hello my dear friend. Are you a Muslim friend? You're not Muslim. That's good. Lovely. So, my dear Muslim friends, are you Muslim, sir? You're a Muslim, sir? Are you a Muslim? Muslim? You are a Muslim. You look confused. You must be a Muslim. Please confess quickly, please. Don't prolong the misery. Please confess. Your smile, please. You know what is happening right now. So, how long have you been a Muslim? Long time? Baba. Okay, thank you. You hear the Baba, yeah? Lovely. Everything else you didn't hear.